Hi guys, I'm Grace B Makeup and I'm back today on Iconic London's YouTube channel to give you a demo of their brand new drops. So their two super exciting launches that I'm going to demo for you today is their Multi-Icon Eyeshadow Palette and also their Enrich and Elevate Mascara. I am loving both of these. Let me just show you what they look like. So this is inside the Multi-Icon Eyeshadow Palette. As you can see, it comes in their gorgeous gold compact as usual with a really big mirror, and it also has 7 really wearable shades. So I've swatched the shades on my arm and how gorgeous are they. So from left to right we have Merlot Red, Cayenne Pepper, Cafe Latte, True Gold, Cocoa Brown, Pink Frost and Clear Quartz. And then I'm going to show you how I finish off the look and add some drama to my lashes with their Enrich and Elevate Mascara. This is their first Kind to Lashes innovative mascara that lengthens, curls and lifts with an active growth agent, Simlash. It's also got a really unique wand that has 9 rows of bristles that really grip on and coat your lashes with lash loving ingredients. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm also going to use the All Angles eye brushes from the set. And I'm going to start with a matte liquid eyeshadow from Iconic in Wild Heart. I'm just going to dot on the tiniest amount. And then go in with my fingers just to help disperse it first. And then with my brush, I'm just going to really smoke it out. You can literally see how pigmented these matte shades are. You need the tiniest amount and it goes so far. So now that's on, I'm going to move on to the shades in the palette. So as you can see, it comes with a whole mixture of mattes, shimmers and foils. So I'm just going to dip into a bit of Cayenne Pepper here and stick with that lovely warm tone that we've got going on. I'm just going to pack this on the outer V just to give me some depth there. And then I'm going to use my finger in Pink Frost and just dab this right over the centre of the lid. When you dip your finger into them, they actually almost feel creamy. They're that smooth and pigmented. And even though I've already got my skin makeup on and I've really packed that on, I've got absolutely no fallout as well, which is amazing. And then I'm going to take Cocoa Brown on my angled brush and I'm just going to sort of dab this along the lash line just to create that smoky effect. I feel like when you add your liner with eyeshadow as well, it's just a foolproof way of adding that liner and not messing up the whole eye makeup you've just done. And then because we're going for a bit of dazzle, I'm going to go with Clear Quartz. I'm just going to pop a tiny bit of this in the inner corner and also my brow bone. I'm just going to curl this up into the pink as well. I'm going to run a tiny little bit of that Cayenne Pepper just on that lower lash line as well. So this is the perfect mascara for fluttery, curled and panoramic lashes. It also feels really weightless and light on the lashes thanks to that Simlash growth ingredient. Look at the difference in that. That is crazy. I'm obsessed. And luckily for you guys, you can get the Enrich and Elevate Mascara in loads of retailers now like Boots, ASOS, Look Fantastic, Flannels and Harrods. Now, it wouldn't be an iconic London look if we didn't finish with the Holy Grail, the Prep Satin Glow in the shade Original. And then I'm going to finish off with a little bit of Iconic's Gloss. So guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and make sure to pick up Iconic's new launches, their Multi-Icon Eyeshadow Palette and also their Enrich and Elevate Mascara. You will be obsessed. See you soon guys.